The front baffle is part of your lawnmower's deck assembly. It is located under the deck at the front of the mower. The baffle closes off the front portion of the deck, keeping the grass clippings around the blade. It helps the mower to efficiently bag or mulch the grass clippings. The baffle can be damaged if a large object gets thrown by the blade. If the mower is used in applications where a lot of dirt is present, such as mowing weeds, the dirt can abrade a hole through the baffle. Replacing the baffle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by tipping the mower back so I have access to the underside of the deck. The baffle is secured with a bolt on either side. I'll remove the bolts. The baffle is under a little bit of spring tension inside the deck, and there's a tab that indexes it with the deck on either side. I'll use a screwdriver to flex the baffle away from the deck. Now I can install the new baffle. You'll notice on one side there's a notch pressed into the baffle, and that fits around the transmission. I'll align the tabs with the slots in the deck and use a mallet to help me tap the baffle into place. Once the baffle's aligned, I'll re-secure it with the bolt. And that's all it takes to install a new front baffle on your lawnmower. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.